So let's talk about the blues form first of all. With your left hand, we're gonna jump out into the water a little bit further. So your basic pattern, you know this, right? Already. So a standard blues form called 1-4-5 progression. You're gonna start with C. You're gonna do that pattern in C, and then you're gonna do at the 4 1 2 3 4. At F, you're gonna do the pattern there, and then at the 5 G, you're gonna do the pattern there. And there's a specific number of measures for each one. You go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then either 4 or a turnaround. I'm going to teach you turnaround. This is called a turnaround. A turnaround, it just means turning you back to the top.
Okay.
It's just slang. I don't know why we call it that, but
Cool.
It goes like this. We'll do that one. That's a silly one, right? But it works, and it's your first turnaround. So you go C, E, F, F sharp, G, F, F sharp, G. Okay? And there's 2 each except for the last ones. 2 C's, 2 E's, 2 F's, 2 F sharps, and then you pause, and that gives you a second to reset your brain to this beginning. Because blues, you just do that over and over again, and then your right hand does whatever you want, and then sometimes you sing.
Oh my god.
So, it depends on what's happening around you. It's very interactive sort of music. So really practice that. Get that. Just be counting. In the beginning, it's just counting, and you lose your place, and then you're like, oh man. After a while, I can do that while cooking a steak. It's like I don't even think about that anymore.
Got it.
Like my body just does it because I've done it so many times. The melody I want you to learn. Your first blues melody. Here it comes. This is Happy Go Lucky Part 2 by Duke Ellington. I think he wrote it. Anyway. That's the first part. You're going to start on G. There's 1 G, is called a pickup note. And then you go. 2 C's, E flats, C's, A, C, E flat, C, A, C. Okay?
Got it.
And that's going to go right with your left hand. So this note is off by itself. I'm going to just start there first, but then you're going to go together. So the difficult thing is it's the same rhythm, but they're each kind of going their own direction. That's going to be a minute. Take you a minute. That first note lies here in the pattern. You have this pattern, right? This first note here is the last note in the pattern. So in other words, okay? It's like the last little X in the 6 boxes. That's what gets you going, and then you're just together. So just practice doing that for a minute, and then okay, kind of hooks you in. Okay? And then there's this second part of the riff. This is the syncopated part. Practice it by itself. You're going to go like this. Okay, that's a whole section right there. So it's on the first box. On the first box again. And then the last box. But the thing is, you got to get... Your left hand doesn't stop. Do that a couple times. Just get that rhythm in, and that's the whole melody. So to play it, if I get my left hand, in the one place. I don't want you to change in your left hand yet. Again. One more time. Okay?
You got it.
So two things. Practice just that and then practice the whole form just with your left hand.
You got it. Thank you so much.